Are you looking for the best laser engraver under $700? Well, today we're diving into the xTool D1 Pro 10-watt laser engraver. This top-of-the-line benchtop diode laser is brimming with features like wireless connectivity, positioning lasers, rotary attachments, and a suite of other accessories. But the real question is, how does it perform in cutting and engraving? Let's explore. For those looking to invest around $700, there are key features to consider when choosing a laser engraver. First, the engraving speed, power, precision, material versatility, and user-friendliness. These factors not only determine the efficiency of your work, but also the range and quality of projects you can undertake. The D1 Pro series offers three models: the 5-watt, 10-watt, and the 20-watt. The higher the wattage, the more potent the laser, which comes with its own unique features. Today, we are examining the 10-watt version, which is their mid-tier model. The xTool D1 Pro is a powerhouse for efficient engraving and cutting, perfect for small businesses and side hustles, with an impressive engraving speed of up to 400 mm per second, making batch engraving and on-the-spot customization fast and effortless. With its 10-watt output power and 60-watt machine power, the D1 Pro stands out for its precision and strength in crafting. The ultrafine .08 by .06 mm laser spot is capable of cutting through 6 mm basewood or 5 mm black acrylic in just one pass. It also delivers remarkably detailed and clean engraving results. This device is a blue diode laser engraver that utilizes a 455 nanometer wavelength visible blue light. It combines two laser diodes using lenses to achieve its 10-watt output. Notably, the D1 Pro features a separate positioning light. This red X marks where the laser will fire, positioned 16 millimeters left of the actual laser. However, the software compensates for this automatically. Simply align the red light where you want to start, and the laser will adjust accordingly. This positioning light is a game changer, allowing for straightforward material alignment. Additionally, the laser module includes a powerful cooling fan. This fan not only keeps the laser cool, but also helps in smoke dispersion during engraving. The device comes with built-in air assist attachments at the laser nozzle, but an external compressor is required for activation. It also has a protective cover at the base, made of orange plastic that largely blocks the blue laser light. The D1 Pro boasts a work area of 430 by 400 millimeters, expandable up to 936 by 432 millimeters, with optional extension kits. It features smooth, belt-driven X and Y axis, riding on steel wheels and rods. The frame itself is made of folded aluminum, which is surprisingly lightweight yet sturdy. Designed with beginners in mind, the xTool D1 Pro is user-friendly and safe. Installation is straightforward, and the machine includes thoughtful safety features like a built-in flame sensor that detects and alerts in emergencies. Additionally, the X and Y axis limit switches enhance the precision of the laser engraving and cutting while preventing potential collisions. A single button on top of the frame initiates a cut, while the right side houses the USB and power connectors. You can also wirelessly connect the D1 Pro to your network for convenient control. The versatility of the D1 Pro extends to the range of materials it can handle. It is adept at engraving on plywood, hardwood, metal, leather, glass, paper, dark acrylic, fabric, and more. The D1 Pro includes a built-in gyroscope for movement detection, halting the laser if the frame is shifted. It also features a flame detector. In terms of software, xTool offers its all-in-one software, xTool Creative Space. Though the laser is compatible with other G-code-based software like Lightburn, xTool Creative Space is robust. With over 1,000 projects and 500 elements available in the xTool Creative Space software, you can easily start creating personalized items and GIFs. The results across these materials were precise and satisfying. This machine is not just a tool, it's a gateway to bringing your creativity to life. Whether you're making personalized GIFs, unique home decor, or even starting your own small business, the xTool D1 Pro is an excellent choice. It's perfect for crafting items like wood organizers, paper cards, and metal business cards, leveraging its capability to work with diverse materials for countless DIY projects. While I have the base model of the xTool D1 Pro, which is highly efficient in itself, there is also an option to purchase a bundle that includes a rotary attachment for additional versatility. This bundle is slightly higher in price, above $700, but it could be a valuable investment for those looking to expand their creative and entrepreneurial pursuits. The rotary attachments offer great versatility for cylindrical or spherical objects, such as mugs or glasses. The setup is straightforward, and the software handles the rest. In conclusion, the xTool D1 Pro 10-watt laser engraver stands out with its quality hardware and performance. Its wireless connectivity and comprehensive software support make it a user-friendly choice. Priced at $700 for the base model, with the full bundle at $890, it's a premium option but justifies its cost with its features and capabilities. So, there you have it. The xTool D1 Pro, the best laser engraver under $700. Prices do change, so always check the latest deals by scanning the QR code or by clicking the link on the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tech insights.